Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by working non-destructively. Duplicate the background layer so you can always revert. Next, make a precise selection around the word using lasso, marquee, or quick selection. Choose the tool that matches the edge complexity. Once done, open Select and Mask or Refine Edge to smooth, feather, or contract the selection so the removal blends naturally. This early precision matters because a tidy selection reduces artifacts and makes the content-aware fill or patching step much cleaner and faster. You now replace the selected area. First, try Edit Content-Aware Fill. Photoshop analyzes surrounding pixels and generates a fill that often works instantly. If the result needs help, switch to the Patch tool to drag a clean source over the area, or use the Clone stamp to sample nearby texture and paint carefully. Make sure to work in small passes and adjust brush hardness and opacity. This preserves texture continuity and avoids obvious repeating patterns that give away edits. Finish by refining edges and tonal matches. Use the Spot Healing or Healing brush to remove small seams and match grain. Then check local contrast. Use small dodging or burning, or a gentle Gaussian blur at 0. 5.1px on a new layer to unify sharpness. Make sure to compare with the original layer toggled off and on. That helps spot inconsistencies. If things go wrong, undo step by step or revert to the duplicated layer and try an alternative source patch. Saving incremental versions prevents lost work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.